What's going on, guys? God bless you. Carlos here with Serranos Mobile Detail in Dallas, Texas. Thank you so much for joining me in today's video. So I wanted to go ahead and finalize this series of using the hydrosilex or hydrosilex products. Today I'm actually going to be showing you the last two products, which is their one is their IPA and the other one is their coating. So I'm going to bring them forward. For the sake of this video, I already did the whole paint correction. I've done all the prep work on here to prep to put the coating. So I didn't want to bore you with a long video on that. So this is already prepped and ready for coating. Alright, so the first product I'm going to show you guys is their wax and grease remover. This is their perfect preparation. And this one online is $16.99. I'll be posting a link as well. I think they have it on Amazon, so I'll post the Amazon link. But all you do after with this, you're just gonna spray it on there. All right. And then you come and you're going to blend it all in there. For those that are maybe new to this, what does a IPA do? This is your the key point of your whole process is removing all the oils, all the waxes, the polishes that you've done prior to your coating or to applying any sealant or any wax, any topper. I always feel that it's very important to use a product like a IPA or a grease and wax remover. That way you make sure you have removed everything off of the paint and you're working on a clean paint, as many would call a virgin paint. Alright, next up is recharge. Recharge is their spray coating. Alright, when I hear recharge, it sounds like it's good on coated vehicles. If you're trying to give it that extra power on there, you're going to recharge that coating. I don't know, when I saw recharge, that's kind of what came into my mind. So correct me if I'm wrong, hydrosilex. But it gives you a 6 to 8 month protection overall. So once I apply it, we're gonna get about 6 to 8 months of protection. I'll take that. So if you're a customer that, you know, maybe or somebody that just, it's a do-it-yourself guy and you're looking for maybe a coating that's easy to apply, this would be a really good product for you to use. It's $34.99 online. I'll be posting the link down below also to this product. From what I have read, this has self-cleaning effects. You have hydrophobic effects, mirror effect as well, and on the what the intentions of the coating is obviously is protects it against the elements. It has UV protection and oxidation as well, so that, you know, it keeps your paint looking right. And mirror effect, which is one thing that we all like to see, is that nice shine. So also, after reading a couple of these directions, or you know what it's the purpose of it, you can also use its interior plastics, your vinyl. So very cool for the price. I love these sprayers, and I feel like you're gonna have a lot of product for $34.99. So how do we apply it? All right. So I usually tend to always shake products. You're gonna spray it evenly. And right off the bat, guys, I can see it start to bead. Very, very, very cool. Alright. One towel is going to be your blending towel. Alright. Oh, wow. This is really slick. Really slick. Feels so smooth. And then your next towel is going to be your buff off towel. The beauty of this coating, from what I've read and researched, it has self-leveling properties. So you just buff off and keep going. Alright, so they require circular motions on your buff off, and I think that goes with any type of coating you want to do, circular motions. But for this, let's make sure we do it as instructions say. I can definitely see the gloss. I can see the gloss on this coating. It feels so smooth, guys, literally. That's crazy. But of course, many will say that, oh well, any product this and that is going to do it, which yes, it will. But I honestly believe for the price, for some people $34 will be a little bit on the high side. But it's really good if you have like maintenance clients that have coatings, your VIP customers. It doesn't hurt to maybe use a more upscale. I would say this is kind of like a topper, but it's also a good spray-on coating. So seems like a really good product. The price, I think I can justify it for my business. I would purchase this again and use it for my business. I love the way it feels. Literally very smooth. All right, but before I end this video, a huge thank you to hydrosilex, for the opportunity to send me something to kind of review, look into their products. This line has been very new to me, so I had a lot of fun really playing with these products, and I'm actually very impressed with their stuff. Price point, I think it's good. Some people may say they're a little bit on the high side, but I honestly felt like price point was very forgiving for some special customers that we have, VIP clients, maintenance clients, where these products will work amazingly. But before I end this video, guys, for every person watching today, from today through November 26th, they sent me this kit, which is a recharge spray coating. Again, 6 to 8 months of protection just by spraying on there and buffing off. You get your 2 IPA wipes, which will go all around your vehicle. You'll get this for free, guys, for free. The only thing you have to do, guys, is pay shipping and handling, but to be honest, that will be very minimal. This is, I believe it's a $20 kit, which you're gonna get for free. All you have to do, guys, is pay shipping and handling. It would really mean a lot to me if you go and check this out and get you a kit and test it out, and hopefully give me some review on it down the road when you receive it. So again, today's video obviously was to show you guys their spray coating and their IPA, guys, and as well as a gift to you guys for watching this video today. If you're interested, if you want to check a little bit more about these products, go check them out. I'll be posting the link down below. Click that link. It'll take you right to their kit page, and enter that promo code, and you'll be receiving one of these. So as always, guys, God bless you, and thank you so much for watching today's video.